Well, that's what I've suggested. Oh, brilliant. I've suggested 2 cushions for the Czech side. How well has he played that? I mean, that's a trick shot. You play those in exhibitions.
Shaun Murphy played a particular shot in the championship that looked like it might have been an impossible pot. We're actually going to have a quick look at how he actually played it and look at the physics behind that. Looking at the actual setup he has here, we would expect, with no spin, for the ball to come down here off these 2 cushions, and it would most likely end up somewhere around here in the middle of the table. But let's have a look what actually happens. So he's played the shot and it's actually ended up back towards the left-hand side there. Now what's actually happened, if we go back a little bit, as it hits this particular cushion here, it's not as obvious as it is on the bottom cushion, but there's a slight deviation from the expected angle we would see if it had no spin. It's most notably when it hits this bottom cushion here, and it almost comes back at the same angle, the same direction that it actually hit at. And that tells us he put a right spin on it, because it's actually, the ball has then pulled itself back up this way here. So in order to actually put a spin on the actual cue ball itself, you actually need to hit it slightly off centre, or quite significantly off centre actually. So the more away from the centre you actually hit the ball with the cue, you're going to put more angular momentum into the ball itself as opposed to forward momentum. And that's kind of key to doing these type of shots and putting the spin on the ball. So with this particular type of shot, he's hit that fairly off centre in order to put a fairly good spin on it.